Are you tired of drowning in a sea of paperwork and mundane tasks? Do you dream of a more efficient and productive work life? Well, look no further. Welcome to Efficiency Edge, the channel that unlocks the secrets to effortless efficiency and helps you achieve your maximum productivity potential. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the world of workflow automation, where the magic of technology can revolutionize the way you work. So grab your favorite productivity beverage, sit back, and let us take you on a journey to effortless efficiency. Picture this. Instead of spending hours on repetitive and mundane tasks, you can automate them, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Workflow automation is like having a personal assistant who works tirelessly for you, streamlining your processes and boosting your productivity. The first step to achieving workflow automation bliss is to identify those repetitive tasks that eat away at your precious time. These tasks often include data entry, email filtering, file organization, and many others. Take a good look at your daily routine and make a list of all the time-consuming activities that could benefit from automation. With your list in hand, it's time to dive into the vast ocean of automation tools. There are a plethora of options out there, ranging from simple task automation to sophisticated workflow management systems. Some popular tools include Zapier, IFTTT, and Microsoft Power Automate. Do your research, explore the features, and choose the one that best suits your needs. To achieve seamless automation, you need to map out your workflow. Think of it as creating a blueprint for your automated masterpiece. Identify the inputs, the steps involved, and the desired outputs. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth transition from manual to automated processes. Now, here's a golden rule. Start small, automate big. Choose one task from your list that can be easily automated and begin there. It could be something as simple as automatically organizing incoming emails into folders or generating reports with a single click. As you become more comfortable, gradually expand your automation efforts to more complex processes. One of the greatest benefits of automation is its ability to integrate with other tools and systems. Customize your workflows to seamlessly integrate with your existing software, such as project management platforms, CRM systems, or cloud storage services. By connecting the dots, you'll create a symphony of efficiency that will make your work life a breeze. Workflow automation is not a set-it-and-forget-it affair. It's important to test your automated processes, monitor their performance, and make necessary adjustments. Keep an eye out for any bottlenecks or potential errors, and refine your workflows to optimize their efficiency continually. Remember, iteration is the key to perfection. Congratulations, you've unlocked the door to effortless efficiency through workflow automation. As you witness the transformation in your productivity and the newfound freedom to focus on meaningful work, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Embrace this new chapter and enjoy the productivity edge you've gained. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to workflow automation that will revolutionize the way you work. Remember, automation is not just about saving time, it's about gaining the freedom to pursue your passions, unleash your creativity, and live a life of efficiency and fulfillment. So, what are you waiting for? Take that leap into the world of workflow automation and let Efficiency Edge be your guide to effortless efficiency. Hit that subscribe button, and together, let's conquer the productivity frontier.